the state of Indiana, we're on the verge of an operations crisis. Many of the individuals that went into water and wastewater treatment are now in their late 50s, early 60s.
There's so many wastewater people that are looking to retire in the next couple of years. So
a lot of veteran operators haven't trained their replacement.
Many towns that are experiencing issues that they're going to have to address very shortly.
So in 2020, Commonwealth decided to provide a new service offering. The service offering is called Operations Assistance.
Having this program, it gives you a resource to be able to train people and make sure that they're learning.
It's our goal to aid communities in transitioning from the old experienced operators to the new young operators.
Eaton has turned into an optimal candidate.
Well, the problem we had is we had a long-term person that ran the water treatment plant, but he retired.
We had nobody, and we got a new hire that just started.
I started in March of this year.
He didn't have the skills and the abilities at that time. Commonwealth was aware of the situation we were in. It was the perfect thing for us to bring in someone that could mentor him and train him.
I was very happy when I heard that they were working with Commonwealth.
We needed that assistance from Commonwealth to get us over the hump.
We've had a whole year almost of experience with the program. Jeff Fish, who works for Commonwealth, who is leading that program for us, has been phenomenal.
I started back in 1985 as a young guy, like a lot of operators. Within probably 5 years, I was taking responsible charge of water and wastewater plants. I've been doing that for the last pushing 35.
I've been taught by Jeff on a daily operations, walking in, listening to what the plant sounds like, what everything looks like. So you walk in, you can see things or hear things before you actually start collecting data.
All the guys have talked to us about how much they're learning.
Jeff has never tried to tell me how to run my plant. He's always made suggestions. He might give me a hard time if something don't look perfect, but then he suggests how to fix it and make it better.
He's been doing this for 30-some years, I believe, and he would give me helpful hints, make things easier.
Well, how it's benefited the council and the town is we get a whole bunch of information in Jeff Fish's reports.
It's a lot better on more of the technical, the spreadsheets, data points, tracking everything a lot better.
All the data that we got back from Jeff and Joe, see where we were losing water, why we were losing water.
The wells were pumping a whole lot more water than was actually going to the tower. It helped us address those issues. We had a chlorine issue the town people have complained about for a long time. With him and Joe, we were able to figure out a solution for that.
Nothing that was taught to me how to calculate chlorine dosage. I was simply told at first that you just turn a dial and adjust it. Well, needless to say, I learned a lot of good math. Jeff is very good at explaining step by step, breaking it down and making it look simple for you. Anytime we had something going on, a water leak, an issue out in the distribution, Jeff was there right along with me to help me walk me through it. If he's not there, he's a phone call away all the time. Jeff Fish has instilled a tremendous amount of confidence in the ability for me to run this plant. I would recommend this Operation Assistance Program from Commonwealth to anybody out there.
I would recommend it, and I actually have to some of the local communities.
It doesn't have to be a brand new person. It's for anybody that is having any trouble or any problems throughout their plant.
For us, it was a win-win.